Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to delete the data from Snowball Analytics, how can you delete? So I will explain clearly how to do, even whether you want to change your data or you want to remove your previous data. I think this method gonna help you. So go ahead to your Safari or Chrome's on your computer first and enter the Snowball Analytics website, and you're gonna see it look like this. So if you haven't logged in your account, you can also log in your account here. This is my account and I'm already logged in mine. Okay, so if you want to delete your data, how can you delete? So what you have to do is go ahead to your transaction here. And in your portfolio, you can see the transition right at the middle of your screen. You can see portfolios and go again to your transition. And these are the data that you have. So if you want to delete, scroll down and to select the one that you want to delete. And if you want to delete this one, look at your right corners and you will be able to see the delete icon. So just click to delete. So if you want to delete the transition, this one, it will be deleted from your portfolio. So, and also it will update your cash balance at the same time. So just click update cash balance and yes, delete. And then this data gonna disappear from your portfolio. So by doing that, you can delete also your data as you wish. So don't forget to check which data you want to delete because they are permanent and you will not be able to get back. So just select the thing that you want to delete and just click remove and yes, delete. So by doing that, you can delete your data easily in Snowball Analytics, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to delete your data. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.